Well, hello and welcome to another video, and let me get through this gate, and welcome to Cockfosters. It's now just gone 8:15 in the evening. I should have picked up my train 45 minutes ago. We have a signal failure down towards King's Cross, so everything's up to an hour late. So I think by now I should be almost at Acton Town. So it'll be interesting, we'll see what we're going to do. I was going to give you an update on my car, but I'll probably do that later. Better get some work done first. So what I should be doing is taking this straight to Acton Town, having a break, then Acton Town, T5, Oakwood. But we'll see. So I should have picked up at 19:31 and left Cockfosters at 19:40, which would get me to Acton Town at 20:41, and we're now 20:18. I think we're that T5 service. So even though the signal failure is on the westbound, basically trains back up, so then the ones coming east get stuck. Makes sense? Good. Hopefully this signal failure sorted itself out. Who knows? It's just been a bad week for signal failures on this line. So just to give you an idea, today is Thursday, the 15th of January. So in fact, whilst I'm waiting for the train, so the car's still in the garage. It went in on Monday, today's Thursday. I rang them today to see what the issue was. They said, we've ordered the parts. I said, okay, what's the damage? They went, well, we've ordered the front tyre, and once that arrives, we'll sort out the tracking and make sure the front steering's alright. I said, okay, what about the rear tyre? He said, what about it? I said, well, that needs doing. Does it? I said, yeah. He said, oh, I haven't even looked at the car. He said, I'm just looking at the photos. Okay, yeah, but there's a photo of the damage. He said, oh yeah, I'm looking at it now, and now you say it's flat, I can see that. Alright, we'll order that. I said, alright, what about underneath? Any damage to the battery or anything? Oh, I don't know yet, we haven't looked. He said, we'll put the tyres on, and then we'll check. Which to me just seems a bit stupid. What about if there's damage to the battery? It could write the car off. What annoys me is the fact I've got a Kia Ceed petrol that they've given me, and it's costing me 18 quid a day in petrol compared to 30 quid a month I pay on the electric on my car. But hey ho. So yeah, that's all the update I've got for you at the moment. So trains come in an hour late. It's showing us going, so we'll see. A lot can happen when I get to the other end. So just changing ends, it is showing that we've got no trains between here and Acton Town going west. So the board's still showing the train as a T5, so I'm going to get on and we'll see what my instructions are. And obviously I will update you wherever we end up.
Customer service update. The Piccadilly Line has severe delays due to a signal failure at King's Cross.
The eagle-eyed viewers among you will notice this is not Acton Town. This is Heathrow Terminal 5, and I'll tell you why shortly. I know you want to know why I'm at Terminal 5 and not at Acton Town. But first, before I tell you that, we need to back up. Let's go cast your mind back to the mere seconds, for you lot, when we was at Cockfosters. So I think I said when we was at Cockfosters, Piccadilly Line was suspended between Cockfosters and Acton Town, westbound, due to the signal failure. Now most trains were cancelled and were getting put away. Now Cockfosters depot, sorry I'm just looking at the signal, was pretty much full, and Arnos Grove sidings was full. So anyway, I got the green signal, off I trotted. Got to, I don't know, Southgate-ish, and they announced that the signal failure had been fixed, power had been put back on the track, and we were now running, which is good news. It's so much easier just to run under clear signals. However, when I get to Arnos Grove, I get held at a red signal just outside the station. Now let me get set up on the train and then I'll carry on my story. Right, so we're held at a red signal just outside Acton Town. Train in the middle platform has got the green signal, but I can see there's no driver on it. I think, okay, maybe it's running late and the driver's just in the middle of changing ends. And then I see the signal for that train go from green back to red. It's called taking a release, and to take a release on a signal, it takes 2 minutes from the time they change the signal from green to red or whatever, before they can give me my signal. Banana? And then the controller rings me and says, driver, when you get the signal, can you leave your train on the platform and can you take the train in the middle platform? Not a problem, I can do that. I said, listen, whilst I've got you on the radio, here's an idea for you. So, the original plan was for me to go Cockfosters to Acton Town for a break. Hour and 20-minute break, and then do Acton Town, Terminal 5, Oakwood. I pick up the train, basically, when I should be starting my break. So I said, look, if it helps you, I won't have my break. I'll stay on the train. I said, I'll change this to my second train, the train number. I said, I'll run it down to Terminal 5, and then run it back. He went, okay, we'll let you know by Acton. Anyway, I didn't hear from him, so I called him up at Stamford Brook. And I said again, I explained, do you want me to stay on this train? I won't have my break. I'll just run it down to T5. He went, well, he had to think about it, and he went, yeah, okay, thank you, driver. I said, look, I know I'm going to be early, because originally I'd have been like 25 minutes early. I said, do you want me to run early eastbound, or do you want me to stay in the sidings out of the way? I said, driver, we'll leave you in the sidings out of the way, which is where I am now. To be fair, in the end we got here only 8 minutes early. So I'm just having my break. I've got some medication to take, so I need to take that. And then we'll head out, so we should be on time. All I can say to you is, not all heroes wear capes. Some of us wear London Underground uniform. So yeah. I've not plunged yet to say I'm ready to go out. The train's just left the platform here. I'm not due to leave for another 15 minutes, so I don't know if there's another train to go in front of me. So I'm going to leave it 5 minutes and I'll plunge, and then as long as I've got time to go and use the toilet before I depart up to Oakwood. So, broke my banana. So that's pretty much how it's gone today. Not great for passengers. A lot of drivers have got out of doing some work because they're cancelled. I would much rather finish on time than have my break.
Information of customer service update, Piccadilly Line, signal failure, King's Customer Pancras, Central on line is due to train cancellations. This goes to circulating all other ones. Message ends line information.
Yeah, I'd rather finish on time, and hopefully they've cleared some space in the depot, otherwise I've got nowhere to put the train. That's a problem we'll worry about when we get up there. So yeah, interesting day. We'll see if we can make it back without too much trouble. What do you think? Right. I'll give it another couple of minutes and then we'll plunge and we'll go onto the platform and wait there. When I got on the platform, I got the signal. So I called the signal operator and said, do you want me to accept the signal early? He said, yeah, controller has said, as you've done them a favour, can you run early and finish 10 minutes early? So that's what I'm going to do. We'll see you up at Oakwood. Well, I'm at Cockfosters, as you see, and not at Oakwood. So, several drivers got on at Arnos Grove that was travelling back up. One of them, she was parked in the depot, so she had to go into Oakwood anyway. So she said to me, look, if you want to get off at Oakwood, because there was a Cockfosters train 1 minute behind, she said, I'll stable this for you. She said, as I've got to go to the yard, and it saves you walking out. So that saves me 15 minutes or so. Yeah, because I'm due to stable in 7 minutes, so actually it's probably saved me 20-25 minutes in total, so can't really grumble. Coming back was okay. Got held for a couple of minutes at Northfield, 3 or 4 minutes at Acton. What else happened? Covent Garden was closed. That's really it. So it's been a short video today. Bit of a mess, the job today, but that's sometimes how it goes. So I'm going to drive home. So as always, I appreciate you lot watching me, listening to me rabbit on. Enjoy your weekend when this comes out, and take care, and I'll see you again.